Hi, today we are going to review the short and long sound of A, and then we're going to talk about the letter E. The short sound of A sounds like ah, 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 ah. Man, cap, at, cat, am, ah. The long sound of A sounds like A. It says its name, A, tape, hate, same, main, train, pain, play, pay, say. The long sound of A sounds like A. Let's read some sentences with words that you have learned. Number 1, can Sam stay and play? Sam can stay and play. Sam can stay and play today. Number 2, take the train. I can take the train or the plane. Number 3, Sam, is it rain? The rain is on the pane. Number 4, the rat ate the bait. The cat ate the date. Number 5, I have a tray. He has to pay. Number 6, he has a plate. I have a mate. Number 7, he has a chain. I have the same chain. Number 8, Sam is on the train. I am on the plane. Number 9, he has a pan. I have a can. Number 10, I am not sad. He is not mad. We are going to talk about the sounds that letter E makes. The short E sounds like in get, hen, men, bed, ed, eh, eh, eh. The short sounds like the short sound of E, bed, ba, d, bed, ted, t, d, ted, led, ed, led, fed, ed, fed, men, n, men, ten, ten, ben, ben, a boy's name, Ben, peg, peg, Meg, a girl's name, Meg, beg, beg, wet, wet, set, set, get, get. Let's go over those again. Ted, led, fed, men, ten, ben, peg, meg, beg, wet, set, get. Let's talk about the long sound of E. The long sound of E makes its name E, like me, he, we, see, tree. Common spelling patterns for the long sound of E. E together sound like E. Free, E, free. C, E, see. Three, E, three. Tree, E, tree. Beef, beef. Green, in, green. Week, week. These have two E's together. Two E's together make the long sound of E, free, C, three, tree, beef, green, week. EA together sound like E, see, flee, 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 pee, pee, tie, tea, eat, 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 beach, 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 read, 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 teacher, 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 week, 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 please, please, please. E-A together sound like E, flee, P, T, eat, beach, read, teacher, week, please. Now we're going to learn some new sight words. Remember, you learn the whole word together. We're going to learn go, goes, does, do, to, go, G, O. I want you to write it. Write the word and say the word 5 times. Go. G, O, go, go. G, O, go. G, O, go. G, O, go. Goes, goes. G, O, E, S, goes. G, O, E, S, goes. Can you write it 3 more times? Goes. G, O, E, S, goes. G, O, E, S, goes. G, O, E, S, goes. Does, does. D, O, E, S, 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 does. Do. D, O, do. Write it on your paper. D, O, do. D, O, do. D, O, do. D, O, do. And the last one, two. T, O, 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 two. Let's find go in these sentences. Just look for the word go. There's go. There's go. There's go. I go to the sea. Go to bed. I go to the mat. Let's find the word to. Just look for the word to. Here it is. And number 2, let's find the word to. To. I go to the sea. Go to bed. I go to the mat. Let's find the word goes. Just look for the word goes. There it is. Goes. 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 He goes to bed. She goes to the mat. He goes to sleep. She goes to the sea. Let's find the word do. Just look for do. 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 I do my work. Do you work? I do my job. Let's find the word does. Just look for does. 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 He does his work. Does he work? Does he sleep? She does sleep. Go. Goes. Does. Do. To. Remember to add the new sight words to your flashcards and practice reading them. These are all the sight words that you've learned. The, is, I, am, he, have, has, not, go, do, does, to. Let's do it one more time. The, is, I, am, he, have, has, not, go, do, does, to. Great.